Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's been a while since I actually posted a actual video instead of a short. So today I wanted to go over on how to make this PVC pipe. Now this goes to a water buffalo. Where? I don't know. I was given this part, I'm trying to remember, sorry, from my command team, and they asked if I could make this. So I was like, you know what? Let me give it a shot. And with the help of my buddy, Chief Johnson, we came up with the threading part, which I had a little trouble with. But other than that, we were able to figure it out, and from there, design this. So this will be printed with either ABS, nylon, or ASA. You don't want to use anything else due to its toxic properties. And, you know, learning this from Chief Johnson, I appreciate that big time. And you will see this made in the next 3 to 10 minutes. All right. So you're gonna open up your SolidWorks, going to click the top plane, sketch, and you're gonna go with the polygon. And I am gonna go with 8 because that is how many sides I have. So you're gonna click on the center and go ahead and drag it out, and you're gonna get the smart dimension from top to bottom, which this I have it at 2.5, and green check mark. Go ahead and click features, and you're gonna click the extrude base boss, and my thickness for this is 0.3235, and green check mark. And this is the top part of your cap. And next you're going to right click the center and click a new sketch, and now you're going to make the cylindrical part. You're going to click the circle option in the center, drag it out, and then you are going to measure. Once you click your smart dimension, your circle is then going to be 2.3405, green check mark. Then you're going to then click features and extrude base boss again, and now you're going to get the length of your cylinder. Once you have clicked the extrude base boss, you're going to then measure the distance of your cylinder, and I got 1.0, let's see, 1.095, green check mark, and here you have it. Now we're not finished yet. What you're going to do next is you're going to right click and new sketch. Excuse me, here we go. And you're going to click the circle option again, and this is for the centerpiece that has the hole inside of your cap. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to get the smart dimension of this circular part, and this will be 1.9095, and green check mark. This is the distance I got of the inside, the diameter, excuse me. And I am going to do a cut extrude. Now I measured this, and it was 1 inch from the top to the bottom. And you're going to green check mark, and you'll see your part. Here you go. Looks pretty good. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click the hole wizard and click thread. So you'll see it says hole wizard, click the drop down and click thread. So this is a 2-inch schedule 40 pipe, so we're going to go with the inch tap. And as you can see right here, just to show y'all, inch die, inch tap, measure die, measure tap. We're going with inch tap. And the size, now I understand I measured this at a bigger size. That's because that's what my dial coppers told me. But how you can tell this is 2 inches, it says 2 inches, and also you look at machinery's handbook. I'm going to go with the 2 inches. Just to show y'all the other options, but I just kind of scroll through here for a little bit. But as you can see here, I choose the 2 inches. 2 inches dash 12 gives me option of 11 and a half with a tolerance. So I click the 2 inches. It's gonna be extruded threads, not cut threads. And as you can see here, and they're right-handed as well. And here is your cap. So I counted the threads. It's actually 11 threads. I had 10 in there, if you can see from the previous. So I did go back in there and change it to 11 threads instead of 10, because if you count on the actual part itself, it's 11 threads. But here it is. Took me less than 10 minutes to design, and just going back looking at everything. So I made this part before, but I wanted to get a second opinion on the threads just to make sure that I was correct. So enough of the rambling. I'm gonna actually paint this now, give it some color. It is white, but white doesn't really show good on here. I think a more, I guess you could say, robust color looks better on here. White doesn't show good. Maybe it's just a program, or maybe it's just my computer. So anyways, here are the different colors. I'm going metal, plastic, that's that painted, there's red, you got rubber, glass, solid, so that's red. So when you drag it over, right, you got to click that little globe, or not globe, but the color, the appearance button. But as you can see here, I'm dragging it over, then I click it, and then see, like, this color kind of looks like it's raw form. This one's pretty trippy. It's like clear through, or see-through, excuse me. Back to normal. See, white doesn't really show up good. And then what I mean by robust colors, like I was gonna kind of use a pink, but let's see what this this orange looks like. Yeah, not so good. Almost looks like pre-rust. And then if you can see white again, that's definitely not white. And then another cream. And then black, like Batman, does it come in black? And then red. So we'll stick with this color. Looks good, right? Now, of course, when I printed my the nylon that I have is black. I don't usually get different colors for filament. Maybe I should, but black's fine. Everything goes good black. But this is just to show you all the details in red. And as you can see, here it is. Would you say this sort of looks the same? Sort of. Let's turn it this way. See the space that I have? It's the same for this too. Like, what I mean by that space there. Make sure you save your work as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time. All right, y'all.